Hey guys, it's me, Yorshel, and I'm back and welcome to my video. So for today's video that I'm going to share to you, I am going to share to you the place that I am renting here in United Kingdom. But before we start, intro, pasok! Welcome to my vlog here in Tokyo. Goodbye, Japan! Welcome to London! Hi everyone! Welcome to my humble room but expensive. Yes, it is expensive because I'm paying 665 PCM or per calendar month. But all bills are included and the council tax. But not the parking lot. This is the second place that I rented here in United Kingdom ever since that I migrated here from Japan. This is a double room with ensuite 1. This is a shared room with 4 bedrooms and I am located in the top floor. This room has double bed, 1 table, study table 2 cupboards, a wardrobe, and aside from that, sa akin na lahat yung gamit. Hindi talaga ganito yung itsura nito nung una akong pumunta dito, nung una ko tong venue. Pinago-bago ko lang itsura nito kasi ngayong kama ay nasa may bintana, which is hindi natin gusto ngayon kasi it's winter. But I'm planning to change again kapag ka nagbago na yung weather. So this is my bathroom. Not too big for one person. May share ko lang din sa inyo na it is very difficult to find a place, especially when the deposit is very expensive. For this room, I paid a deposit of £750. Hopefully, I can get the same amount when I'm going to end my tenancy here. So, ayan nga yung kabuuan ng kwarto at merong maliit na lalagyanan dito na hindi ko alam kung para saan. Kaya pinaglagyan ko na lang ng mga kitchenwares ko. Kasi ayoko siyang iwanan sa baba. Maarte tayo dahil maarte. So, ayan yung kabuuan ng itsura ng kwarto na to. At ito yung itsura niya bago ko siya lipatan, bago ko siya ilipat-lipat. O diba mas malaki yung space niya. Kaya lang the problem is nasa bintana kasi yung bed winter ngayon. So, pinago ko. And, ito yung kwarto na una kong nirentahan nung unang-unang punta ko dito sa United Kingdom. I have 3 months contract here pero hindi ko na yun natapos kasi nga sobrang sakit talaga sa ilong nung bahay na ito. And, ang hirap pang kausap ng mga taong nagmamanage dito. Hindi talaga nila kayang i-manage. Kaya kung maghahanap ka talaga ng malilipatan, kailangan agahan mo talaga. At kailangan yung sigurado kang makakita ka ng komportable. Hindi ko naman kasi talaga to na-view kasi na-view ko lang to nasa Japan pa ako. So, no choice ako nung dumating ako dito. Kailangan na kasi kailangan kong kuhanin yung DBS ko. So, kailangan ko ng bahay na may address para makapagsimula na ako sa trabaho ko that time. So, nagtiis ang lola nyo ng 2 months sa kwarto na to at ang bayad ko dun ay 555 PCM.